All right, you got the JOYROOM MagSafe car mount. This is all of it right here. So basically what we're going to want to do, we're going to put these together. In order to do that, we're going to loosen this up quite a bit, and then basically all the way, and then we're going to push them together like so. They lock in, and then you're going to tighten that to lock it in place. From here, we're going to put this into the vent like so, and then we are going to tighten it until it is just totally tightened in there. And then once it's tight, then it's going to be ready for our phone. So from here, and remember, you can also adjust this like up and down like that. So that's amazing. So from here, it is tight. Now, if you look over here, so all the new phones, they have this magnet built into the phone. The amazing thing about this product that you're going to be purchasing today is if you don't have that phone, it also comes with a way to, basically it comes with this film, a cleaning kit, you clean the back of your phone, dry it, there's this film you stick on, then you stick the magnet on. And so my phone does not have the magnet built in, but it magnets right on. And it even magnets through the case that I have. But so here's this, and straight up, the amazing thing, you got your GPS going. That's my favorite part about this, is you're driving, your GPS is right there. It's not like you're picking up your phone looking down. It's right there. You want to switch, get on Spotify or whatever to switch songs or whatever. It's just all right here, and you're staying focused on the road. So amazing product. Highly recommend.